Hi guys, let's eat. Nagluto kasi ako ng chicken feet na parang ano yun, yung bang may gata. Ano ba yun? Basta basta nagluto ako ng chicken feet na very tender talaga siya.
It's good.
Good. Pangalawang beses na yan. Pangalawang beses na dagdag. Kasi kanina lang kami nagkankan. Ngayon lang ako nakapag-isip na mag-video. Very tender yan.
Hi.
Look at my hand. Look at. Get.
Okay. What? Huh?
In my arms.
Oh.
Ikaw lang. Unso. Shame to be. Let's eat some. Slowly. Mapatay gutom. Ito guys, yun bang lugar gani yun, yung ano ba yun? Basta may gata. Nasa isip ko. Para siyang Express Bicol ba o lugar kasi yun. Express Bicol hani. No, Bicol Express. Parang ginawa ko siyang Bicol Express na style pagkaluto. Lagay ka. Huwag ka sabot. Nangawat. Honey, you have your... Diba hindi talaga siya foreigner ba? Afam kasi magkamaya na, sim ko.
Sharing is kind.
Ikaw, misik, magkaon lagi. Gusto mo si... Sis, parang bata. You're like a kid. Sige yan, tapos ang kumain.
Yup.
This is more on... This is more on...
More what?
Chicken feet. Vitamins. What that kind of vitamins? What vitamins?
I don't know.
More on...
I just know it's good.
What?
It's good. Vitamins, sir.
Inubos liyan guys. Where you going? You gonna buy some drinks? Later na, after eating. It's first. Medyo manghang to. Bicol Express good. Yung Bicol Express may manghang naman yun. So, ginawa ko siyang style, ganun pa nga style. So, yung buy, liit. Bili pa siya ng soft drinks. You like this in it?
What?
What's better, the adobo, chicken adobo or this one? This one? This one? You like this than adobo?
Yeah. I like the coconut curd.
Dad, I love you. I love you, Dad.
Very sweet si Lian. Come here, Lian. Come here, stop. Come here. Hi guys. Inubo. Alam niyo guys, hindi na to makaintindi ng Bisaya si Lian. You understand Bisaya?
I don't know.
Ayun, come here.
I don't know. Why?
Join me. Yung bang, galit na galit ako guys. Pero, binisaya ko lang. Akala ko nakaintindi. Kahit pala hindi siya umimik, hindi siya salita, hindi lahat. Kasi hindi ko pala natindihan. Pero ako galit na. Yan. Si mama, pag mag-video call sa mama, ayun niya kasi hindi siya magkaintindihan. Iwan ko kay Lian, nagbisaya man ako, parang Bisaya, makaintindi siya ng Bisaya. Marag na, hindi talaga siya na marunong magbisaya. Hindi talaga siya makaintindi ng Bisaya. Iwan ko. Lian, you speak Bisaya with mommy?
I can.
Why you can't?
Look at you say boat.
Meh. You're so OA.
I'm boy.
Yeah.
I am Bob.
No, you're not. Dahil sa school niya, English, then dito, yung daddy niya, syempre, then mga friends niya dito, lahat English. Oh. So, wala naman siyang friends dito na bata. Friends niya is, yung friends namin, friends ni Dan. TV, English. Kaya ako na nahirapan sa kalisod dito. Hupat siya iya guys. Mas nagustuhan ko to kaysa adobo din. I-try nyo guys. Parang gawin siyang Bicol Express na pagkaluto yung chicken feet. More on collagen to. Hindi ko na ipakita pagluto. Yung husband ko kasi guys, mahilig siya sa may, yung adobo dapat may kunting sabaw. Yung bang may sauce, para ilagay sa kanin. Ito lang yung, hindi siya maggamit ng plato guys, yun sa akin, yung plate. Ito lang yung ganito. Iwan ko sa husband ko. Pinoy na yung style niya. Adapt mo talaga siya ng, Filipino style na. Kasi dito naman siya for good. So, dapat lang. Diba? Okay guys. Ano po ito siya? Pinakuluan ko siya na para 30 minutes. Para maano yung baho niya, yung amoy. Then, matender talaga siya bala. Pero yung pagpakulo ko, nilagyan ko ng asin, paminta, bawang. Ganun ba yung para maamoy siya. Then, after na, yun, tapos ng kulo, then, na 30 minutes, kinuha ko yung tubig niya. Then, ayan, nuto ko again. Ng gata na, niyog. Lagay ng mga panakot. Sobrang tender naman. Sama lang siya. Kaya, pinakuluan mo. Okay. Marami man to guys. Pero konti na lang. Ito. Parang kari-kari o Bicol Express ba siya? Yun na. Diba? Sarap good. Why you don't like to use plate? Huh?
That's a good one.
Ano eh? Why you don't use plate? Don't play the face. Bagong bigaro.
We're connected.
Connected sa mom. Why itong hand? It's just one hand.
Me too. It's like ribs.
This is the best. Among the rest. Why you don't like to use plate? Why you like this one? It's small. Pero pang 3 beses ito niyang guys, dugang. Okay guys. Itong apa mo to na mahilig kumain ng mga chicken feet, mga like balut, mga exotic na pagkain. Mahilig ko siya.
Bulag.
Bulag. Salted fish. Hindi siya mapili. Hindi picky.
Good.
Hmm. This good in collagen.
Yeah. Mm.
Pumayat na siya. From, how many kilo before?
What?
How many kilos before? You?
Kilo.
Hmm?
It's 10 kilos heavier.
So, you lost 12 kilos?
Like 10.
10? So, before you was? Before we met?
That was heavier, 10 kilos heavier.
So, you're 60, like 70 before?
Mm-hmm.
Like that?
Mm-hmm.
Why no? Or 70 plus?
Pick them up.
Stress from your wife? Yeah?
Chug chug. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. Broke my finger.
Lang, dahil kami ng chicken feet kasi wala nang pera. Just eat this one because no money.
Mm-hmm.
Ito guys, makontento kami kahit isa lang ulam. Ito, tapos niya. Kung gusto ko magluto, ano naman, may mga pili man ako pero ano lang, then maganda siya ba? Yung husband ko kasi kahit isang ulam lang ganito, okay lang sa kanya. Di ba may ibang foreigner, may ibang AFAM, yung husband natin. Kahit may mga Pilipino na ayaw talaga makontento sa isang ulam, dapat dalawa, tatlo, ganun. Kahit lang kaya baga, nag-ano lang ako ng talong, nagprito. Eggplant, gano'n, isa lang ko lang.
Huh? That's right.
You're contented
Hmm?
for what I cook. Like, even now, I just cook this one and I'm contented.
Good.
With just one viand.
Mm.
So, some are not like that. Some ones, they have more dishes, like this one, this one, this one. In just one meal.
Pretty.
The best. Nothing more good because of the
Hmm?
coconut milk.
Yeah.
Maganda talaga siya guys, basta try nyo. Kasi before lagi na ako nag-adobo. First time ko man ito, niluto ng coconut milk gamit. Nilagyan ko ng paprika para medyo pula-pula siya. Nag-enjoy.
And then cut the fingernails.
There's no fingernails.
Oh.
You want me to do manicure and pedicure?
Yeah.
With nail polish? Hmm?
Mm-hmm.
With nail art? Where you bought this? They're done only 7-Eleven.
Sorry, store.
We don't have small things.
Hmm?
We don't have there in lobby. Small one.
No, not in the lobby. Sorry, store.
What if your mom saw this vlog and you're eating like this? Your mom, your sister,
So
your
what?
family saw you. And what if you're eating only chicken feet and using your hands? What your mom say? Maybe your mother will say, "Oh, what's wrong with Dan now?" Manood, aba yung mama niya, yung kapatid niya, manood sa vlog ko. Nakita, ganito siya kumain na.
Hmm? Don't judge me.
Parang bata kumain. Sobrang mishi.
This is the best chicken feet I've had all week.
Dami na niya yung naubos.
Hmm?
Eat a lot.
Yeah?
You like chicken?
Yeah.
Have more rice, ah? Maybe I can cook this like once a month.
Yeah. Cook it like this.
He would like this, no? Gusto niya ganito na yung pagkaluto ko. Gataan.
Mm.
Tarong ba? Gagarak ka. Mas umisi! Kaulaw mo ito. This will make a kid. Ian is better than her. Ian is messy. But you're so messy.
Messy.
You're the most.
That's what I did. I did.
Huh?
I'm messy.
Want more rice? Huh? Hindi na ako nakakain sa rice. Kasi na ano ako sa chicken. Hindi naman ako mahilig talaga nito guys. So depende sa pagluto. Pero pag ganito pagluto, nagustuhan ko. Medyo payat ako kasi yan. Kasi nag-ano pa ako, recovery pa ako sa aking ngipin. Kasi dito ko ang ano, hindi usap ba? Usap. Maybe if I will cook like this, always begin with you see it a lot of rice. Not really, look at your tummy. It's my first time since last month, last previous month. It's my first time seeing you like this, eating a lot.
Yeah.
Because mostly you just eat like just 2 spoon or 1 spoon
Yeah.
of rice. Hindi naman siya every morning mag-ano lang siya mag sandwich in your yum burger. That's it. But tonight you eat too much. I think 3 bowl.
Yeah.
3 bowls to go.
That's so good. So it's the best you made them.
What?
You make that again. And the chicken feet were good. I mean, they're big.
Yeah, they're big and tender also.
Did you pick them out? That's why.
I like also because I asked them to clean.
Oh, really?
It's not cheap. 100 pesos per kilo.
How many kilos? 2?
This one?
It's 100 pesos for a meal? 2 of us?
But I have more dyan. Yan guys, end ko na tong video ko kasi kaon pa yung isa, o pa na tagam, o pa na kontento, o pa na sinabi, wala pa na tablawan. So, yun pa to guys. Okay, finish na to, maglinis. Thanks for watching. Say hi, honey. Your tummy's big now, oh. This is... You have dirty of your face. Bye, guys. God bless y'all. Thanks for watching.